Okay, so here is your boy Shrek, and in today's video we will talk about buying cryptocurrencies and where to hold them. But right before the video, I want to introduce you cryptoflame.eu, best crypto news site with an option of suggested coins to invest and also tab with crypto influencers like me worth to watch. So if you are interested in reading some news, then you need to visit CryptoFlame. But let's get back to the main meaning of this video. So we will start with buying crypto. And the first site when you can do this is Binance, one of the biggest crypto exchange sites in the world. They also have their own coin called Binance coin, maybe you heard about that, which is pretty good investment. When you scroll their site a little bit lower, you can also see some giveaways of some crypto, like here $50,000 giveaway of Shiba coins, 10,000 of eGold and 83,000 in Tron coin, and some Binance news. On Binance you can buy crypto with your debit card like Visa or MasterCard, but also with bank transfer and 100 more options by peer-to-peer trading. But why Binance is that good? On Binance you can earn free money, as I said before, buy some giveaways, buy some cryptocurrencies with really low fees and lot of payment methods. And also Binance offers coin swaps, like for example you own $100 in Bitcoin and you want to swap it onto Dogecoin or other crypto. Here on Binance you can do it, but this time fee is not that good. Later in this video I will show you better alternative to swap your cryptocurrencies, so stay with me. One more thing what I love in Binance, it offers you spot markets for all most popular coins. You can see how many percent does coins go up or low, their price, market cap and more and more. But what if you already bought your Bitcoin or other coin? Then you need to hold it somewhere. Cryptocurrencies are not in physical form, so you can't hold them in your wallet or something, but there is something similar and it's called virtual crypto wallet. There are many of them, some of them you can find by your preferences on bitcoin.org, link in the description of course. Here you can filter whether you like to have your wallet on Mac, iOS, Android, Linux or Windows. Site also allows you to see fees by sending money on those wallets, privacy of the wallet and lot more options. You can click on the name of the wallet and download it on your software and enjoy your money. Okay, so now let's talk about swapping coins from one to another. There is a site called SimpleSwap whose offers to users swapping coins from something to something. There is a lot of options what I can't just read because this video would take 1 hour or even more. In the tab above you can see how it works. When you click on that, you are redirected to a YouTube tutorial about how this site works and more. So if you will be interested in swaps, then you can visit site, link in the description of course. So I think that's everything in this video. I hope